Uh, uh. There we go. Good morning, Facebook, and good morning, YouTube and Periscope and Twitch. Hope everybody's doing well. Of course, it is Monday. I believe it is the 1st of March. We're in a brand new month, right? And yeah, so it's time to do it again. Time to do it one more time. The beauty of March is that it's just a whole nother day. It's all good. So you have to throw any of the past away, and let's start afresh. That's what we're talking about today. Let's just start fresh. Forgive yourself. If you made mistakes, if you made investing mistakes, if you made trading mistakes, what up, Derek? If you made any sort of mistakes, if there are any problems, you know what I'm saying? Just forgive yourself because it's time to keep it moving. So let's do that. Let's get right to it. I'm going to share my screen. And after I do that, hopefully we can, there you go. We can start getting to the market. I'm going to my first spot. The first spot is the 60s on the ZB. Let's talk about that. Wow. Wow. Pretty cool little moves. You know how we start? 4 basics. Let's get the 4 levels of the day. Overnight high was put in at 160.26. That was off the 2000 candle. We have the open of the day that was put in right at 160.08. So the market opens up at 160.08, goes up to 160.26, which is impressive because that's 26 ticks. That's not like a little waves. And then hangs out around the open again for the next maybe, I don't know, all the way to like 4 o'clock in the morning. And then really decides to fall, which is kind of cool. So just a moment ago, the sellers kind of get aggressive, and now we're trading 159.02. Really cool. The upside breakout on Friday, to me, was one that was necessary. I don't know why today they couldn't hold it. I'll be looking for the market to kind of say it can hold this, making its way back to the upside, in my opinion. Humbly, I suggest that that's what they should do. So, yeah. We don't have a 4th level. The market open doesn't happen until 8:20, but that looks odd. Being all the way back down here, 159.02 looks odd to me. I don't want to give it too much space. Now 159.01, I don't want to give it too much space. I don't. The sellers that showed up at 159.08, they just need a little help. 159.08, 159.06, those sellers a couple hours ago at 7 a.m. They just need a little help. They can get a little help. Maybe they can be all right. We'll see if we can create any symmetry. 158.30 is what I'm looking for on that move. So we'll see. There we go. 159.02, 159.03. Yeah, the buyer should kind of show up here. That's what I'm looking for. Let's check the S&P and see if we have any congruent messaging going on from the market. Okay, I don't have enough days loaded. Let me load some more days. Data series, days to load, 500. Apply. Okay, there we go. We're going to do the same thing. Let's look for the open of the day as the bonds trade 159.03.04. Now 04.05. Get out of there. You should belong down there. There you go. Here you go. 159 goes bid. Now 06s are coming out. 38.17.25. 38.17.25 is our open. Right. The market comes down just a bit to 38.12.75. And then from there, quite literally takes off. No jokes. Did anybody get long on the bonds just now? Anybody took that long? Definitely told you guys it was time. All right, 38.56.75. is the overnight high for the ES. It looks to be just, a steady pump towards the upside. I ain't even gonna front. It kind of looks pretty continuous. Like as aggressive as they can make it is what they're doing right now. Key levels that I'll watch. We'll do this for the S&P, then we'll do for the bonds again. I'll be watching 38.34, 38.34.50. I'll also be watching, honestly, right about here. Let me pull these out of the way. I'll be watching 38.46.75. Two places I'll start watching. So far. The ES looks a little opportunistic today. We can start seeing people kind of let a few little pieces of steam off, let some steam off here. Last thing to check, I told you we would do bond. Let's do bond levels to watch. I wanna be the friend. Bond levels to watch. Oh man. The 60s don't tell a good story. I'm gonna be honest. They don't tell a great story, but you can trust 160.06. You can trust those guys. The overnight low that I mentioned, why we shouldn't be down here at 159.01. Now we're trading 159.06. Sixes are going big. 159.07 is coming right behind it. So I'm interested in seeing that. 159.01, 160.06. See if these guys can get themselves together. That's really going to be the key. See if they can get themselves together. Thursday and Friday last week was super choppy. The price action underneath 159.00 is really the cause for concern. So I really don't want to tip down there again because of the way that the participants create the market down. I don't really like going down. So eager to see. They might want to, and maybe this time they can do it in a uniform fashion. Reason being is there's so many things that have to be said down to 156.14 or so. This candle, it was disturbing. February 25th to 1400 candle. It's kind of disturbing. I don't think that they'll just let that ride. That's the only problem that I see. I don't know if they can do that. That's the only problem I see. Cool. Let's go check the news. And after we check the news, we'll find out what we're going to be doing today. And then that'll be it. Let's go to econoday.com. And that'll be it. It's 8:12. Somebody had a question. Macintosh, Dez, holla at me. Monday, March 1st, we have John Williams speaking at 9, Brainerd at 9:05, PMI manufacturing final at 9:45, ISM manufacturing index at 10, construction spending at 10. So there are some pretty good announcements today. What's going on, Macintosh? You have a question?
What's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm okay.
One time you usually trade ZB and NASDAQ. Is it like on the open or the close?
There's no bad time to take a good trade.
Appreciate it, my guy.
You already know. If the market is open, somebody's making money. If the candles are moving, somebody's making money. So there's no such thing as like a bad time, man. Everybody. That's like a rumor or something. It's like somebody said so that they could sound cool. You should only trade at these times. Why? Who told you that? Bullies make money all day long. So That's it. Ayana, I see your question. Ayana had a good question from Facebook. Her question is, are we concerned about the FOMC members speaking or the manufacturing PMI news today? I'm going to pay attention to it. Concerned has a overtone of it can throw us off our games. I don't think that it can throw us off our games. When FOMC members speak, um, really Jay Powell is the only one that can kind of throw things off. Everybody else is kind of going to be a parakeet to whatever message he's putting out there. They don't really work in a way where they can dissent, Ayana. You know what I'm saying? So Jay Powell is going to give everybody the tempo, and then everybody's going to kind of push the message. Then manufacturing PMI news, I'll be watching it, but I'm not concerned. If it pushes the market up, I'll buy it. If it pushes the market down, I'll sell it. Simple. Okay. Doretha, I see you. What's good? It's good to see everybody. Are there any other questions about anything? Or does anybody else on the stage have anything that they wanted to say about the market or add to the market situation? I know y'all can trade too, so tell me what you're thinking. Oh no, just that? Oh no? Okay, great. Man, I really appreciate it. Look, the group is called Building Money Machines. I think you should join it. I got some dope programming coming. We do this every morning at 8. I think you should holler at me, be up. It's good. Right after this, I go to a trade room and come to that too. The whole idea is that we take all of our minds, all of our ability, all of our opinions, and we join them together so that we can make better market decisions. And so that's all we're trying to do. And if there are no more questions, I guess the clock on the wall says that's about all. I enjoyed y'all and had a ball with boom, boom, ski, ski. That's it. I got a split, man. Much love to everybody. Y'all trade safe out there.